Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get PayPal money off hold instantly. Now the process is very simple. So all you have to do is just simply click on the payment that is currently hold. So let's say for example this one, click on it. Now wait for the payment to load up. Now all you have to do is just simply click on add tracking info over here. Now depending on what type of money that you're receiving, just simply clarify it over here. So for example, let's say it's a physical product and you're getting paid for any physical product. So all you have to do is click on this option and simply choose shipped and then click on tracking information not required and then just simply click on submit. But if it is service-based money, like you have provided some service for some client outside and they have paid for that particular service, so in that case what you have to do is just simply send a message to PayPal to the customer care service and ask them to release the payment and tell them that it is not a product but a service, and also ask your client to release the payment through their side as well, because it will be stuck on their side too. And if nothing happens, in 30 days the payment will be automatically sent into your bank account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.